Hello, hi everyone, welcome back. So let's solve this problem in this video lecture, that is palindrome number. So we're given an integer x, we have to return true if x is a palindrome. Otherwise, we return false. That means we have an integer x and we have to return true if the integer is a palindrome or not. So what is a palindrome number? A palindrome number is a number which is same when we reverse it. So let's say we have 1 2 1. If we reverse this number, then we get the same number. That is a palindrome number, right? So we return true if it is palindrome, otherwise we return false, right? So let's see how we can do that. So here we have our number 1 to 1. So let's say if the number is negative, what do we do in that case? Let's say the number is minus 1 2 1. So the reverse of this number is not a palindrome, right? So in case of negative numbers, we simply return false because negative number is never a palindrome number. So we have to return true for that. We have to return false for a negative number, right? So let's see how we can solve this problem. So what do we have here is we have our number, let's say x. X can be anything, a positive number, and the task is to find whether it is palindrome number or not. And all we have to do is to just reverse this number x and convert it to y. So y is the reversal of this x. So then we have to check whether this y is the reversal of x or not. So let's say we have 1 2 3, and let's reverse this number. It's going to give me 3 2 1, right? So what does that mean? That means this number is the reverse of this number, and we have to check whether these two numbers are same or not. Since they are not same, that means the answer is false. This is not a palindrome number. So the task is simply to reverse this number x and create a number y, right? So let's see how we can do that. So we have 1 2 3, and the first step is simply truncate the last digit, that is 3, and that is going to give me 1 2. So when we truncate the last digit, we will have 3. So how we can actually extract this digit, the last digit that we have truncated? And that is easy. So we have y is equals to 0, and what we can do is 123 modulo 10 is going to give me the last digit, that is 3, right? So that will give me the last digit. 123 modulo 10 is going to give me y is equals to 3. So y becomes 3, right? Then the first step is simply to truncate the last digit, that is 3, and we have 12. So in this 12, what we do is we again truncate the last digit, that is 2, and here what we do is into this y we multiply it by 10, and we add this truncated digit into this answer, and we add 2, so it becomes 32, and we have 1 left, right? Then after that we again truncate the only remaining digit, and here we have 32, and we again multiply the 32 with 10, it becomes 320. Then this one, we add this one into this 320 plus 1, it's going to give me 321, right? So this is my final number. This becomes 0 when we truncate the last digit. So let's check if this x is same as this y, right? So x is equal to y, that is going to give me true because they are same. They are not same, so that's why they are giving me false, because 123 is not same as 321. So we'll get false in this case, right? So here the solution is simple. All we have to do is to just reverse the original number to get to the final number, and that's going to give me my answer. x equals, let's say answer is let's say we have y, which is here, we have y, and then we'll have x. That's so all we have to do is to multiply this y. So first of all, let's check if x is negative. If x is negative, then we return false. And here, what we have here is, if this y, if if we simply divide it by 10, then here, what we have here is, we are multiplying y by 10, then we add this x modulo 10, we add the last truncated digit into this y, right, x modulo 10, then we simply divide this x by 10, right, and finally at the end we'll check whether this x is same as y or not. X is equals to y. If x is equals to y, then that means this is true, the number is palindrome, otherwise it is not, right? So let's see how we can do that. Let's run this code. Oh, it's not x, we prepare y and x becomes 0, so we also need the initial number. So let's store this into some other variable, let's call it z. Let's store this x into this c, and here we check if this y, which is the new number, is same as the initial number that we had. Answer may not fit into a integer, right? So let's take a signed number, or rather a long. So let's run this code and let's see. So let's try to submit it, and it got accepted. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, then hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.